Planning to travel to Indonesia? Here is how the Indonesia E-Visa application process works. First, check if you are eligible for an Indonesia E-Visa based on your nationality and your reason for travel, such as tourism, business, or study. Next, prepare your documents. You need a passport valid for at least 6 months, a recent passport size photo, flight and accommodation details, proof of funds, and any additional documents required for your visa type. Then, fill out the online application form. Enter your personal and travel details carefully and upload all required documents. After that, pay the e-visa fee online and make sure the payment is completed successfully. Once done, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email with a tracking number. Use this number to track your application status online. When approved, your e-visa will be sent to your email. Print it and carry it with you when traveling to Indonesia.